Wow, what a neat car. Super fun to drive, packed with performance, packed with technology. Elon, you really did it with this one, buddy. I gotta tell you, the Tesla Model 3 2020 version, it's awesome. Let's take a look at this thing from the front of the car to the back of the car and see what we got going on inside. Welcome to Hawaii Tesla and Detailing. This channel will focus on Tesla's technology and automation, Tesla car care with professional detailing techniques, as well as product recommendations. I will showcase tried and true upgrades that will make your Tesla awesome. If this sort of thing interests you, then please subscribe to my channel and also select the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Alright, let's knock off the bullshit and get straight after it. I chose the 2020 Standard Range Plus Model 3 Tesla. This is the more economical model, but I have some big plans for it. Right off the bat, we have the really cool Tesla badging, beautiful lines, and a very nice looking paint job. Tesla has had some paint issues over the years, but this paint job looks great. I've added a ceramic paint protective coating to improve gloss, hydrophobic properties, and protect the paint from the harsh Hawaii sun and weather. In future videos, we'll be thoroughly covering do-it-yourself professional-grade detailing methods for your Tesla. These methods and products will enable you to affordably protect your Tesla and keep it looking better than new. The taillight lens designs are very sleek. The Tesla Model 3 has 8 cameras, 3 in front, 2 on each side, and 1 at the rear. These are all used for the autopilot feature, the Sentry Mode security system, and the dash cam feature. Let's have a look in the interior. Press the chrome recessed door handle to enter. The Model 3 has a minimal, modern interior aesthetic with all controls accessible on the central 15-inch touchscreen and the steering wheel. The entire interior is made of a vegan leather, and I can tell you, man, it is nice. The back seat seats 3 and is very comfortable, with maximum legroom and beautiful views through the all-glass roof that extends from front to back, creating a sense of openness from every single seat. Open the trunk with a push button under the Tesla logo. The Model 3 has 15 cubic feet of cargo space, and I can tell you from a couple good Costco runs, it holds plenty. Since there's no traditional gas engine in the front of the Tesla, there's space for a small cargo area that they call the frunk. Open the frunk from the Tesla app. Trunk pops open. Inside you will see usable frunk dimensions of about 28 inches by 15 by 9. If you have that extra bag or two and know where to put it, this is your place. Alright, now that we got the introduction out of the way, let's get on to the fun videos. Tune into the next video if you want to see this turn into this.